Welcome all of you in my channel S&T Power Person. In this series of Vision Plus, today we will discuss about the loyalty management system. Like what is loyalty management system, how it works, what is its structure and all. So first, before going to start on this loyalty management system (LMS), means it's highly customized from business to business. In some business it is known as VLS. In some business it is known as rewards point. And apart from highly customized, if you see overall, it is like a structure also vary, and maybe like even screen name and all vary. In some business it work on the back end, in some business it works on the front end and all. Unfortunately, I don't have any screen or any kind of like PPT or PDF to share on it. But I will explain the functionality how it works here. So first of all, like what is LMS here, how it works here. So normally in daily life it happened that we using credit card we do certain kind of transaction on any retail shop, online, a petrol pump or any website, any app and all. So for all those transactions we are getting some small points, like just for 100 rupees it is 1 point, 2.5 points. It's all depend on the business how it is working and all. So that is called the rewards point. Like suppose in a month we did, just take an example, on 100 rupees we are getting 1 point. On monthly basis, suppose we spend 10,000, so we'll get 100 points. And suppose we earn 50,000, so we'll get the 500 points and all. So once like points get accumulated in a particular month or in a, even a period of 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, so we can redeem those points and all. So we'll see how it works here. So that is called the loyalty management system or Vision Plus loyalty system, or in some business it is known as rewards and all. Now the first thing is what is the structure of LMS? Like whatever business you are working, first you have to understand its structure here. So unlike CMS where we have the system organ logo, in LMS after system organ logo it can be further divided into the program and sub-program. Maybe its name vary, maybe some business say program, bonus program, or someone say like another program or sub-program. It's like that, it vary only. So you have to understand before you start working on that thing in the LMS here. After that, next is the point summary screen. In every like LMS system, there is a screen called the point summary screen. In point summary screen, you can see all those details like how many points you have earned, how many points you have redeemed, and you can check all those redemption details as well here. So all those things you can capture on the point summary screens. Now next is the point history screen. In the point history screen, like you can see like in a monthly basis or year to date or live to date how much points you have redeemed each month, monthly wise, like monthly in each month how many points you have earned, after earning how much point have been accumulated total for a particular month, so how many points you have redeemed in the particular month and all. You can see all those detail in the point history screen. See, maybe screen name vary from your business to business. You have to check all those things. And some business it also work on the front end, like they have their own customized front end system and also you have to check and you have to find it how it works there. Now next, very important is the points earning here. So like whenever we do a transaction, so how many way like a transaction can earn point here? So we will say one by one here. First is the activation bonus here. Like we can say it is credited as a welcome bonus and one time only. So whenever you are applying for a card, you have said that okay, many businesses are you do the like 1,000 rupees first transaction or first two transaction and all. So we'll get 1,000 rupees, 1,000 point as a bonus and all. So that is called the well like activation bonus. And remember that is only work at one time only. So you have never said you never found that in like whenever you apply for a card, your representative said every month you will get this much point and all. It's nothing like that. Activation bonus will be credited only one time only. So you have to see it set up like okay, what is the means number of point you are getting as a activation bonus and what is the criteria for that. Like some business say okay 1,000 rupees transaction, some business say 5,000 transaction, some business say 10,000 transactions and all. So you have to check that setting and all. Now next and very important is the transaction code and all, that is very common to all kind of cards only. Like just suppose you did certain kind of retail transaction on any retail shop like Big Bazaar or D-Mart, or like if you are in Chennai, then you can say Sarvana and all. So for every transaction, you will get some fixed number of points. Just you did 100 rupees transaction. So based on the setup, you can earn 1 point, 2.5 points and all. That is called the time like points earning on every transaction code which is eligible to point earn. The same way you are points earning, suppose you did some reversal of those transactions. Just take an example like you did some shopping on the Amazon. You means you placed order and you get it. Suppose you don't like the product, you return it. The same amount will be refunded to your account. So for those refunded amount, there will be certain transaction code. For those reversal and all, the same point which you have earned will be debited in the same way. So that is called the point reversal. Like whatever point you have done on the once you did the transaction, suppose transaction got reversed or you cancel the order and all, so amount will be refunded to your account. Apart from that, the whatever points you have earned at that time, that will be also debited from your means points balance and all. So remember this thing. So that is called okay. There are certain there's like that there are many kind of transaction for which you will earn points. So there it's the same way there are many transactions for which points will be debited as well. Normally in India, business suppose you did some payment and all. For payment transaction and all, you will never get any points and all. Now next is the MCC here. So there are some particular MCC for which you can also get some more points. For example, like you did some transaction at the airline, like make my trip, is my trip, or any particular airline website and all. So for that, business have done the MCC. MCC stands for the merchant category code. So you have to check that for a particular MCC, how much percent of point you are going to accumulate. Means for every transaction and all, how much points you are getting accrued in the MCC only. So you have to check all those things. The same way like for mobile recharge or apparel purchase and all. So further there are also certain category of MCC and all. So you have to check that okay for a particular MCC like how much points you are going to get it. So maybe it happens that for some particular MCC and or some business allowed to earn some more points and all. And also so when you are checking for the MCC merchant name, merchant description, so you have to check the cap also. Cap means suppose in a particular month you cannot earn more than that points. Like just say the business has set up 500 points. Okay. For this like apparel merchant category code in a particular month or particular cycle you cannot earn more than 500 points or 5000 points and all. So you have to check that cap only because many times that okay just to mislead the customer and all they say okay you will get this much point and all but they never tell that okay my point cannot exceed more than this and all. So you have to check that thing. Next is the merchant name. Suppose business say okay for a particular merchant like you are doing transaction at the particular merchant only. So for that merchant name they will maintain some merchant number. They might have some merchant number and all. So you will earn some more points and all. That's called the merchant number. Next is the merchant description. It also happens that they have given some merchant description like lifestyle, shopper stop, or reliance and all. If you are doing transaction of those kind of shops only, then you will also get some points and all. Next is the tier based points earning. So what happened that suppose you did some transaction at the oil likes this just take an example ICICI said that by using this my ICICI bank card at the HP for first 1000 rupees you will get 3%. After that another 1000 rupees you will get 2% of points and all. After that another 1000 you will get 1% and all. After that you will get 0 points and all. So that is called the tier based points earning and all. So you have to check all those settings in your backend screen, whatever you have. So unfortunately, I don't have any backend screen to share here. Otherwise, I might have shared and all. But this is the high level functionality how it works here. Now next, what is next here? Now what is the points redemption here? Remember, once you get means you accumulated some points and all. So after that you have to like every month why you are like whenever we earn some certain number of points and all. So based on the catalog available and all, we are going to redeem the points and all. So here in this slide we'll discuss about through how many way we can earn the points and all. So first is always online redemption and all. Normally what happened in the online redemption is like suppose you are credit card holder You log into your online banking and all, and go into points redemption and all. You can check like for like your cards, what are the eligible voucher you can redeem, and for that particular voucher, how many points you required here. Once you select that particular voucher code and all, you can redeem the point. And next day, normally now you get voucher code in your SMS or mail and all. So that is called the online redemption. Now next is the batch redemption also. Like in some particular card type, what happens is, just take an example, you earn some 1000 point or 500 points or 5000 points and all. So what happens that when you earn some fixed number of points, so your points will get redeemed automatically either on the batch day or month end, depend on the setup and all. So those kind of redemption comes under the batch redemption and all. So once point redeem, points will be debited from your account, maybe some certain amount, maybe either it is 1 to 1 ratio or 1 to 2 ratio and all, your cashback will be credited back to your account only. Those kind of redemption called the batch redemption also. Next is the EDC redemption. EDC redemption means just like you are having some 5000 point and all. You are going for shopping at particular outlet and all. So suppose you okay for 5000 points and all, okay, you know that okay for this we'll eligible to earn up to 5 means 5000 rupees, or maybe like whatever amount and all, you have to check the setting actually. Maybe out of 5000 points, sometime okay you wanted to redeem 1000 points only, so you can redeem for 1000 rupees 1000 points and all. So that is called the EDC redemption, means you can redeem point directly at the merchant also. And next is to redeem the points again from some particular type of transaction here. Here what happened? Just suppose you are using like using SBI card. You went to Indian Oil petrol pump. You bought some petrol like 300 or 500 and all. Once you did the transaction, after that you means got some message. Okay, for this transaction and all, if you want, you can redeem your points by clicking on the given link and all. So you can redeem point also in that way also. That is called a redeem the point against some particular kind of transactions. Now before redeeming the points and all, you have to check the means available stocks. Once a particular voucher code is available only, then you can redeem the point against that thing. That is called the inventory kind of thing. Okay, in this our means inventory we have this much, means for a particular voucher we have this much only available stock and all. If stock is available, then only you can redeem the points and all. That is called this is all about the point redemption also. And also before redeeming the points, you have to check that okay what is the maintenance. Like just take an example, you want some 500 rupees lifestyle voucher. So for to redeem that 500 rupee lifestyle voucher, where is that like voucher code and how much points required, that maintained and all. So you have to check all those things. So this is all about the LMS. Please like, share and subscribe my channel SNT Power Vision. Thank you.